now they both need resold. If I ever settle down, you'd be my kind, and it's a good time for me to head on down.